You are here because you're struggling with being on camera for your YouTube videos. And I'm going to share with you the four things that have helped me since I restarted this channel back in December of 2025. Okay, my name is Songrani, and I'm making videos that would eventually help you to make your YouTube into a profitable business. Let's begin. The first thing is talk into the camera like you're talking to a friend. Imagine them if you have to. Imagine somebody real that is on the other end that you're talking to and explain your things, argue your case, review, give your opinion, just like you do with a friend. And while you're at it, look into the lens. Okay? Look into the lens because that helps to bring the human connectedness into it, other than all this AI that's going on. If I'm looking away from a camera, you can tell that I'm not looking at you. But when I'm looking at the lens, it comes across as somebody who is really intentionally talking to me, especially with the talking head videos that I do. I don't know if you do those, but always look into the camera as much as you can. That's the first thing. Secondly, use the competence confidence cycle. What do I mean? You start by talking about the things that you know, things that you have done, things that you have overcome. And don't you tell me you have nothing, you don't have any of those. Because like in my coaching, when I'm coaching someone, I will always start from their story, their lived experiences, and we turn those into offers that they can sell online. We turn those into subjects they can cover on their YouTube channel. Okay, so start from what you know. Don't ask me about meal planning. My wife is the one who's good at meal planning. I mean, she cooks, bakes, meal planning for 5 people. Amazing. Don't ask me to do that. I'll tell you about making thumbnails. I'll tell you about getting good titles. I'll tell you about all these things that I'm learning. I'll tell you about losing jobs or failed businesses and things like that because that's where I have been. Those are the things that I know. And I you start talking from there. And the more you talk about the things you know, the better you get. And then you add on more things that you're learning, you're benefiting from things you have applied and seen results. That's what I mean. It does make a difference in your confidence. Number three, script your video. Now, you may not read it word for word for like I do. I do bullet points, and sometimes I'll put in a little bit more detail if I don't want to forget something. So have got notes even for this video. Okay, because why do I do that? Because scripting helps you with the flow of what you're talking about. It becomes easier for people to follow. And also, it just helps with keeping that attention retention for people to keep watching until the very end. With the fourth point, which I'll be talking about, is gold. All right. But before that, I want you to just know that in your YouTube studio, there's now AI that's rolling out, and it will tell you exactly the performance of your video and where you're missing it. So, like in my case, I've improved with thumbnails and titles, but I need to improve with retention, keeping you watching until the very end. So, all this is information that will help you. So, just keep making those videos and give it data so that you can, number four, practice while getting better, right? This is take number 7 of this video because my microphone transmitter fell and it broke and it won't work again. So I've struggled with the sound, but you keep learning. Next time I come back, I know what to do, which equipment to use, which equipment to buy, and I'll keep moving forward. The more you practice in this case, the better it gets. You make less mistakes and you get better with your presentation. You do these 4 things and you are definitely going to grow in your confidence before the camera, talking to the people that you really want to help. So let me know in the comment box what you have struggled with, and I'll look at it and respond to each and every one of them where I can. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.